Okay, so here's 8 things that you gotta remember for today if there's something you want to create, attract, and move and shake in your life. Let's dive right into these. Number 1, decide what it is that you want. Today, decide what you want. Today, decide that even if you can't live your life for yourself today, you're going to decide what it is that you want, so tomorrow, the next day, next week, next month, next year, you can live for what you want. Write it down. Decide what it is that you want. Number 2, you gotta write that down. You gotta write what it is that you want down on a piece of paper and literally say no to everything that is not in alignment with that thing that you've written down. It's about laser focus for you to create and attract the life that you want, living your goal-oriented life regardless of the world outside of you. Write it down. Number 3, make a freaking plan. Make a plan. In the least, do Jack Canfield's rule of 5. Rule of 5 is 5 things every single day that you will do to move closer to your goal. So literally pull out a piece of paper after you write down one of the many things that you want. And you could do this for everything that you want. Let's say that you wanted to make an extra $1,000 a month. Write down 5 things you could do every single day to move closer to that goal. And you may say, but I don't know how to do it. Well, write down some things you could do. It might be like, call your friend that makes $10,000 a month and ask him for an advice. That's one thing. The next thing might be read one new wealth book in the next 3 days, right? Just write 5 things down. Just do 5 things that move the creative energy forward. And what happens is, as you start taking steps, you find out better and better and more efficient things to do. So 5 things you can do every single day to move closer. Write down a freaking plan. Number 4, and work for it. Work for it. This is about your one and only life. One day you're going to look back and you're going to say, did I live my life? Did I live a life that was true to myself? And this is your time, man. This is your time, my friend. This is your time to say, you know what? This is my life, and I want the next 10 years to be the best 10 years of my life. This is about me. This is about my life. This is about time to shine. This is about time to wake up and grind and create the life that I want. Move confidently in the direction of your dreams. Work for it. Number 5, every. Well, number 4 was work for it. Number 5 is every. Number 6, single. Well, number 4 was work for it. Number 5 was every. Number 6 was single. Work for it. Every single. Number 7, day. Well, number 4 was work for it. Number 5 was every. Number 6 was single day. Work for it every single day. This is about you, your one and only life. Don't let anybody tell you no. When someone says no, you say next. Put a do not disturb sign on your imagination. Don't let anybody into your imagination. When someone says no to you, like this, okay, great, I'll never talk to you again. I'm gonna go do my life now. Right? This is about you living your one and only life. Do not let anyone's crap, limitations, doubt, worries enter your mind. You deserve what you want. But first you have to claim it. And number 8, no matter what. Number 4 was, what was number 4? Work for it. Number 5, every. Number 6, single day, no matter what. Number 8, work for it every single day, no matter what. No matter what. No more excuses, no more complaining, no more. Right now, I don't know if you can notice, but it is so dang hot in my film room right now. I can only film one video at a time because I just get drenched in my room right now. There's a crazy heat wave right now, and the AC isn't working. It's so hot in here. No excuses. I need to film videos. I want to reach you. I want to inspire you. I want you to come back in 12 months and say, Jake, thank you so much. You helped me create my best life ever. I'm so grateful for you. Every day I watch your videos. Every day you impact my life. You're a part of my family, and you don't even know me. I want you to say that no matter what. I don't care if it's 90 degrees in my room with 50-60% humidity and I'm sweating my face off in here. This is about a higher mission, not about my body. This is about a higher mission for you, not about excuses, limitation, the past, the things, the responsibilities. Every single day, no matter what. So comment down below every single day, no matter what. Comment that down below. Every single day, no matter what. Every single day, no matter what. So, make sure you download my free success hypnosis and listen to that for 10 minutes right now real quick, and then get super charged up for your day. Have an absolutely amazing day. jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. Hit the subscribe button in the corner right over there and the bell notification. Make sure you hit the bell notification. That's what notifies you for new videos. So hey, even if you already subscribed, make sure you hit the bell notification. That's what notifies you for new videos. It's a new change in YouTube. So comment down below. I think I called it NewTube instead of YouTube. I meant to say YouTube. So comment down below every single day, no matter what. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching. I hope that this inspired you. Thank you for watching.